Are we ready to be going down that hill? Taylor, that hill? Just like my friend did?
Yep.
Except there's a truck coming right now, so we'll stop this.
Alright, let's do this. Ready? Let's do this, yeah. Oh, look at that speed right there. You don't get speed like that every day. Woo! Oh, curving it up. Carving it up right there. Woo! Oh, it's a dead guy. Woo! Woo! Alright, here we go. Woo, see that right there?
This is my friend Taylor. He's about to be doing this downhill challenge. Yeah.
Gonna be doing like the little flamingo stand thing at the end.
Yeah, he's gonna be pretty beast.
Alright, let's do
Watch.
this. Alright.
How do I pause it?
What? You serious?
This is Taylor. Look at that footwork. Ooh, pretty slow.